guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna show you a very easy fix for wind noise. For all you guys who has LED light bars installed on top of your windshields, whether on trucks, Jeeps, whatever, I think you know what I'm talking about. As soon as you install that light bar, you're gonna start hearing that whistling sound. And basically, let me show you. The source of the sound are these. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, there you go. These blades or fins, whatever you want to call them, right here on the back of the light bar. So these are for cooling the light bar, but when the wind hits your windshield and goes up, it starts reflecting against these fins, especially the bottom half section of the light bar. It starts giving that whistling sound. It's so annoying. So a very easy fix is getting some of those. These kind of rubbery trim pieces, they're made for like door edges, but in this case we're gonna be installing them on these fins. We're gonna take care of the, like I said, the bottom section of the light bar. This will take care of the problem. Now something else for all you guys with Jeep Wranglers with soft tops, not the hard tops. You're gonna notice this flapping sound, like flapping noise, the wind reflecting from the windshield on the light bar. It's also hitting your soft top, so it's making that flapping noise because the soft fabric or the vinyl is flapping against your metal rails installed inside the soft top. So you can also fix that. Get some kind of like padding, like some kind of insulation material, something really thin. Stick it between the fabric and the metal rails. I'm not saying it's gonna delete that noise completely, but it's gonna make it way better. All these trim pieces, and I'll show you guys how they look. I ran out of those, so in this case, whatever you have left of these rubber edging strips, just start from the outside of the light bar going in. Just concentrate on the sides, because that's where most of the noise is coming from. And the bottom side, I got all of these, like the first two. I'm just gonna do one more and I'll be covered. I'll be completely covered on the bottom half. So that's it for this short video. I just wanted to share with you guys a quick tip how to solve this problem. So make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
You